My dearly beloved family, how are you all doing? As you can see, I am doing good and I know you are doing perfectly well. All right, my wonderful family, if you are just seeing my face for the first time, I am Agatha Progress channel on YouTube and I come across your way every blessed day. In this channel, we react to all videos, and in this channel as well, our opinion is highly needed. So why don't you drop your comment in a very constructive way so that we all will jubilate in the comment section. As you know, I don't understand what to know about this video that you're about to watch, but I do hope you pick some sense from those videos. All right, my wonderful family, let me drop the video so watch it together, and don't forget not to subscribe. Share this video with your friends and family so they know all what is going on in the global world today. Right now, let's watch the video and I will be right back.
How their reaction be now, so me if they go, because now what me believe be that one, because they say power belongs to the people. So what they talk just now, the people that are attacking or giving blackmailing Mazi Edoziemu or pressuring him are not just the zoo government. Our supreme leader family, they're there among. Yes, na me talk, I talk for that video we call. Na me talk, me they call this video, me they keep am. Till eternity to come. My name na Efeisi one of Abiomote Biafra, Birobo Biafra. Na me they talk and so. The people when they give Mazi Edoziemu pressure, join the pressure when the zoo they give her. Always anybody that have access to him that doesn't want some command or some law to be implemented. It includes Mazi Nnamdi Kanu family. Those are two siblings, brothers there. So it includes them. And I'm not talking. Nothing they happen. It includes them. That is why they tell us today. Because with the letter they know every day say, Biafra struggle is not family affair. We only know our supreme leader as our leader, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu as our supreme leader. Every other people, you are just like us. You don't have right to give us law. You don't have right to tell us what to do or what not to do. Allow Mazi Edoziemu to do his work. Allow Mazi Edoziemu to do his work. All those now my brother be leader, now my brother be this one that they do for that place, when I go to the bring confusion. Because from the beginning, una not support this sit at all. Una bring excuse saying so, they won't do NECO, they won't do NECO. Not be because of NECO, because NECO no wish to make us to suspend our sit at all. Now, there might be other reason, which I know say, there's any possibility that our supreme leader is not getting the appropriate information that will make maybe if this command come from him that suspend this sit at home, there's every possibility that he's not getting the proper information that will make him to say, okay, make the call him off. But all the same, I'm not saying bad side of no they do the right thing, no. I'm not saying Mazi Edoziemu they do the right thing, no. I just they talk my own as a critical thinker maybe of a Biafran when I be. Now me just they talk my own. Now we move. Mazi Edoziemu must be supported because the pressure on that man, not only from the zoo government, from those our supreme leader, two brothers. We must support Mazi Edoziemu against those two people. Because they want, if Mazi Edoziemu as a head of director, they do try to do one or two things, those people that they want me that they bring their own. And I'm begging Barrister Ejiofor, may he not participate. He shouldn't participate when it comes to say IPOB that they make decision, or that they make the leadership they take some kind decision, they bring some kind law. May come let our supreme leader, younger brothers, come go they pass through and come they go they get it. We come they bring some kind news they come outside. Because me they talk my words. I know they fear anybody face if I want to something. If he vex you, may not vex. But now how they reason my own talk. Now so me to they talk. I know they like to they let talk. They die for my belly. You should not take side, or you should not try to favor or to do anything that will make Mazi Edoziemu voice or Mazi Edoziemu talk no call the whole water. Because as it is today, when our supreme leader was in captivity before, DOS was able to remove which is the corner, remove that man went there from America. Whether now Clifford Irwanya, it was DOS that suspended Clifford Irwanya. DOS suspended a lot of people at that time who were going against our struggle. So as it is today, GOS still have the same power to do any command that will know that it's going to benefit Biafrans and it's going to make Biafra to move forward. If there is anybody that is not doing well or that has been accused of anything in IPOB, they should be suspended until our Supreme Leader come. Don't let maybe in our Supreme Leader brother, because they join that person, then you know talk, or because they give you pressure. If you get anything when they get against you, Mazi Edozie, when they won't bring come outside, if you stand your ground, because if you not stand your ground, if you gonna do when they follow these people, now you go receive the attack. Oh, me and they talk now very wholeheartedly. If you not stand your ground against these demons, the way you have chosen to stand your ground, if you let them go they ride you up and down, we will come and sit down and be dragging you. That is how it is, and you cannot say anything, you cannot do anything. So you must stand your ground against these evil people in all ramifications, both from our Supreme Leader family, both from the Zoo family government, both from Eastern governors government, both all of them in all ramifications. You have to stand your ground. We are here to give you the support that you need, which we have done in the time past, and we are still ready to do it 100% and million times. You have to have eagle eyes to know who are evil in this struggle, who are saboteurs in this struggle, and you have to suspend those people. Because in Biafra struggle, there's no favorism. There's no favorism. You do things that will favor Biafra, not an individual. There's nothing like friendship, or there's nothing like family or whatever affair in Biafra struggle. No, Mazi Edozie. You have to stand your ground, and Biafra will see that you are really standing your ground, and Biafrans are going to give you the support that you need. If you let these people confuse you, or let these people remove your two legs from ground, you come there in the state of confusion. Now you go carry the shame, now you go carry the disgrace, now you will go drag for ground. So what I try to talk this very afternoon be said, a lot of things is going on in that place. That some of all these our people, when they watch us, maybe they understand, or they see how the thing they go. That is why if they react for certain things, I know they get angry, because me too. It gets some kind of things when we say me too. They react very badly about. Now see they tell me say if you control your temper, So una get right to ask questions. Una get right to react to certain things when we say una not understand, and which una don't perfectly do for the past 2 days now, maybe 3 days now. Una don't do them very perfectly, and I give una condos, because it gets one right up when I see, and there's the right of go like this. It say even Mazi Nnamdi Kanu cannot stop IPOB from restoring Biafra, and that is true. You have proven it more than that. Since our Supreme Leader has been kidnapped, Biafrans have proven more than that. That no man born of a woman, not even our Supreme Leader, can stop Biafra from restoring. Because the spirit behind our struggle, is more than any humanity power when you go ever think of. Humanity might try, human being might try, the federal government of the zoo might try, every individual and our Supreme Leader siblings, they might try, but the spirit behind Biafra struggle will let all their plans to crumble before our eyes. I give Biafra condos the one that they react to certain things when they say, una no say not digest, I not go with every one of us. So our Mazi Edozie, you are this present leadership that is representing us for the absence of our Supreme Leader, and our Supreme Leader therefore you know go feel rich now. Now any news when Barrister Ejiofor bring come, now we go take. Now you go take follow. I'm not saying Barrister Ejiofor, I don't trust him. He's doing his possible best, and we are praying for him to succeed, because as it is today, only him personally, now they give say me go to see our Barrister Ejiofor. But Mazi Edozie, my dear Mazi, anything that is coming out, don't be in a hurry to be making announcements. Don't be in a hurry to the shiva follow these people. Don't be in a hurry to shiva follow them. You are our present representative. Now you be the head of everything where they see. You understand? Don't be in a hurry. Don't let anybody pressure you to anything. Nobody can do you anything. DOS as head of directorate, when Oshemefo was there, he know what he use the power to do. I'm not saying use your power because they destroy what they do, or because they oppress Biafra. No, you need to do the right thing. Stand your ground when it comes to things that have to do with Biafra, when you don't understand. Stand your ground and think. Make a proper investigation. As they give you that thing, okay, you don't yet make your proper investigation before you go ahead to tell us Biafran, because it gets some kind of thing where you go announce now, you not go digest with us where we're not going to remember to take call lawyer, we're not going to remember to take call anything. The next one you go to hear now, DOS have chopped, they have sabotaged us, DOS have compromised, DOS have taken money for the zoo, DOS have taken bribe for the zoo. Now name, now we go take the shot, and now you be the public figure when they for the front, when they say with the see. Do not let anybody give you pressure or try to blackmail you. Even if there is anything you must have done in the past with these demons that they are using to blackmail you, let them bring it out. We not send. Mazi, we not send. Let them bring anything you must have done wrong or you must have done with them that maybe they will be using to blackmail you, for you not to stand your ground, for you not to speak the truth for Biafra. Let them bring that thing. Let them bring that thing up. We don't give a damn about anything. What do we want from you? Be say, may you stand, they represent or they speak well. Stand your ground as a man. As it is today, if a duty rich person hand, even if you like, may you be saying that you be the most quiet person, and you be the most tolerant person. But if you not make use of that duty or that position where they give to you, let me say you don't lose your respect as a man, you don't lose your dignity as a man, you don't lose everything. Remember, now you through your leadership, now they abolish deputy director for IPOB. So that same power when you get when they abolish deputy director in IPOB, that same power you are going to make use of it and suspend those individuals in IPOB that are bringing confusion. Because Mazi, you know that any strategy that we are doing in this IPOB is coming from DOS. And these individuals that have been accused of this atrocity, when they get hand in sabotaging our supreme leader, they are in DOS. And you know them. So you have to suspend these people so that they will not be carrying our secrets out to the zoo or to the people when they don't hold meeting give. As I am today, if anybody lay false allegation against me, I will come outside and debunk it with fact and figure, because but allegations have been labeled against some individuals in IPOB and some of them are in DOS. They are not be able to debunk it. What did they call the talk for back? They said all the allegations we don't label against our supreme leader. How many of our supreme leader don't debunk? How many of our supreme leader don't fit debunk? Mazi doesn't mean you cannot sit back, relax, and watch these people being part of the meeting when we are discussing way forward, where we are discussing how we will move forward or how to release our supreme leader. These people have to be suspended or our supreme leader come back. If our supreme leader come back, he can't check the whole matter, say no, so they're not warrant to be suspended. So be it. If need be, we can render apology to them. But so far so good, these people have not proven innocent for all the allegations that have been labeled on them. And we cannot continue to having this kind of people in our midst. We cannot continue. What Irwanya and Omyomyo and all of them did, it not reach what these people they do today. Or this accusation where they accuse these people today, Mazi. You have to do something about these people that are being accused of sabotaging our struggle, sabotaging our supreme leader. They have not been able to clear themselves, Mazi. So you have to suspend them till further notice. You have the power. You have to suspend them till further notice. Biafra struggle is not family affair. Everybody, being it you are our supreme leader sister, you are our supreme leader brother, you must give Mazi Edoziem a chance to do what he's supposed to do as our present representative. You must give our supreme leader Mazi Edoziem his opportunity or his the power to do what he's supposed to do. Because you are our supreme leader younger sister or you are his in-law does not make you to always come on social media and to be talking or giving laws or to the give command or to the debunk whatever IPOB is doing. We are not going to take it any moment from now. At the years and our prophet in there for Germany and they marry our supreme leader sister. Enough is enough. We are not going to take any rubbish from any of you this time around. And I'm not going to look any of my face if I want to attack una. And as it is today, I will not only be attacking you just for attacking sake. I will call the attack on a personality. Make una back off. Everybody must back off in this affair of Biafra. We have leadership. We have everybody that is in charge of whatever we are doing. And they must be in charge. Any individual that is coming based on relative and all those things, you must remove her from Biafra struggle. Because the same identity that you have as a Biafra, the same identity Nami get as a Biafra. I cannot come here now and tell DOS what to do because me na Biafra or because me na one thing. No, the same identity, the same rights I give to every one of una. Make una back off and let the IPOB leadership to take control of to take control of their duty, make they take over their duty. All those una pressure when they give Mazi Edoziem, make una stop her. Stop it. I been because una they know say na they say na quiet man, I make una they do all those rubbish. If na man will get action, fair go let una they do all those nonsense when they do for that place. When they pressure the man up and down, make una back up and let Mazi Edoziem do what he's supposed to do as a leader, and let every one of us see if he's doing it right or not. Don't add your own pressure to it. Don't add your own pressure to please you. We will not allow it. And we are telling Mazi Edoziem, if he allow our pressure to come and talk anyhow, now him we go drag for social media. Now you will go drag go. And if you won't drag, you will drag your personality, join her. And they tell you the truth, Mazi Edoziem, you must stand your ground. Stand your ground against these evil people. Stand your ground. Fellow Biafrans all over the world, I will never ever be part of any evil that anybody is trying to do in IPOB. If I say some, if I smell am, if I see am, if he enter my ear, I can't investigate. That will call the truth. It's not getting amount of the caliber of that person. I will drag that person and I will come tell una for here. Make una too go see make una own investigation if I'm lying or not. You too, you go and make your investigation. So, on this very note, everything when I talk, on top of everything when I don't talk so far, now for us to be patient, now for us to see this, what is it they call it? Sit at home suspend, when they suspend so, now for us to see how everything they go, make we watch, make we open our eyes, make we see. Whether you get any strategy, any other strategy, when DOS won't bring come, or when they won't implement, because as it is today, those of us when they want to make, they call it spit everything out for the public. It's not gonna be possible like that, my people. Everything cannot be spit out in the public, because if it is spit out in the public, even our enemy will know about it. So let them manage it. They know as our supreme leader have been doing it. They don't go fit to say, because some of them go say, I've been in this struggle for 10 years. I've been in this struggle for 7 years. What have you learned so far from Mazi Nnamdi Kanu? What have you learned? In a time like this, now you're supposed to come implement those things that you learned from Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Not just say, I've been principal officer for 20 years, I've been principal officer for 15 years, at the end of the day, your brain is zero.com. No, you must have learned something from our leader that you are supposed to be using, especially Mazi Edoziem. Mazi Edoziem, you must have learned something from our supreme leader that you should know how to implement today. Don't forget that you have not spoken to our supreme leader one-on-one. You have not spoken to him one-on-one. So now one word of the third person where gets none of the third person. If you reach Bele go plenty. Now one word of the third picking. If you reach Bele go plenty. My Mazi, my Onologu. Now one word now they use this word they tell you so. Make it plenty for your Bele. Make it plenty where. Because as it is today, our eye don't open no. It not be the time of fusion before. It not be time of all those people, George Onibi and all those rubbish. Our eye don't too tear. Anything we sense, we go drag una, for poto, we go drag una anyhow. So man not got to say with the break confusion or with the brief fight we cannot keep reacting in the dark because as it is, that is what is happening in the zoo. That is why the zoo is backward as it is today. We are in a movement of command and control. We have a leadership, yes, but that does not stop us from asking questions. So Mazi Edoziem, you must represent us and represent us very, very well, 100%, that you can be proud of you and defend you anytime, any day. And as it is today, you are the only person that we are all looking up to. So you must do everything possible to make sure say you defend us, being it openly and secretly. You must defend us, Mazi Edoziem, in order for you to earn our trust, in order for you to earn our support. Because as it is today, we will not allow anybody to play with our emotion, to play with our feelings, or our brothers and sisters who have died in the course of this struggle, or who are still willing to die. We have our brothers and sisters in the bushes who are protecting our land. We will not allow them to be put to shame. We want you to stand your ground. That is the basic.
Hey. That is all about this video. So please do well to drop your opinion for me in the comment section, what you feel about this video, or are you in support of what she have just said? I want to know in the comment section. So thank you very much for always supporting me in this channel. I really do appreciate you every day, anytime. And if you know you haven't subscribed and you have been enjoying all this in this channel, why don't you click on that red subscribe button that says subscribe and turn on the bell icon.